Hi there! Today, with the help of our channel's medicine research scientist, we are going to provide you with how to memorize fast and easily. But first, why don't you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell? We are the best place on YouTube for all your health tip needs. You remember information in two main ways: as words using your verbal memory, or as pictures using your visual memory. People never believe how crazy the difference is, so here is a challenge. I will give you a list of 10 words, and let's see how many you're able to remember. Piano, elephant, truck, bottle, basketball, chair, pineapple, dog, painting, trampoline. Now, write down all the words you can remember. In average, you can recall about 5 to 7 words through your verbal memory. Now let's test your visual memory. I'll give you another list of words, but through a short story. To activate your visual memory, just create a mental picture of everything I describe and draw. You can even close your eyes and just listen to my voice. Ferrari. Imagine you're driving a bright red Ferrari. The music is pumping and your hair is blowing in the wind. Chicken. It's the size of a person, enormous and yellow. Watermelon. The chicken puts a watermelon in the Ferrari's trunk. Barack Obama. The Ferrari's driver is Barack Obama. Cake. Obama is eating cake while he's driving. Strawberry. On top of the cake, there are pieces of strawberry. Pizza. Obama stops the car to eat a pizza. Giraffe. The pizza shop owner is a giraffe. Skateboard. Giraffe comes towards Obama with a skateboard. Cigarette. Giraffe is smoking a cigarette. Okay, now write down how many words you can recall using your visual memory. Did you see the difference? Did you recall the words in the correct order? Leave a comment below and let me know how your verbal memory scored against your visual memory. We hope you learned a lot today about how to memorize fast and easily. Enjoyed this video? Hit like and subscribe to ZOOXFIT. Wait, we do not forget to tell you about our other awesome videos. Go ahead, choose one of these videos and enjoy.